Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tan Saklak. That means health is wealth. My name is Memetjan Kurban. I worked in a hospital for about 8 years with a digestive system surgeon. Later, I went to Japan to study and teach at nursing schools, including anatomy, physiology, and mental health. Now, I live in Canada, and I share simple and practical health knowledge. Today, I want to talk about healthy fasting during Ramadan. Ramadan is important and meaningful time, but fasting can also affect the body, especially the digestion system and the energy level. So, today I'm gonna share some simple and safe healthy tips. Eating too fast. During Ramadan, many people eat too fast after breaking the fast. Eating too fast can cause stomach pain, bloating, and acid reflux. Try to start with water and light food. Chew slowly. Give your stomach time to wake up. A good rule, eat slowly for the first 10 minutes. Because I work with digest patients, I want to say this clearly. Don't overload your stomach at once. Small portions are better than one very large meal. Avoid too much fried and very spicy food at the beginning. Hydration is very important. Between sunset and sleep time, drink water regularly. Not all at once, little by little. Try to keep enough sleep. Short naps are okay. Lack of sleep increases stress on the body. Ramadan is spiritual, but health is also important. Take care of your body while you fast. If you are interested, I have made around 100 over videos in Japanese, Uyghur, and Chinese. I plan to share more of the content in English. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video. If you like this video, you can subscribe if you want. It helps the channel grow. In my next video, I'm gonna explain what happens to your body when you eat too fast and why slow down matters. See you next time. Stay healthy.